Hello, this is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist, and I'm here with today's value tip number 9, and the word is commitment. Commitment is the quality of being dedicated to an activity, a cause, a person, a hobby. There's many things that we can be dedicated or committed to. And why commitment is so powerful is a person who keeps their commitments is someone of value. We have a rare time in our lives where people are all over the place. They change their minds at the drop of a hat. They go with the flavor of the minute or the month. So a person who keeps their commitments is a high value quality person. So when you become that person, it changes the game and the landscape of your life. Your life becomes incredibly amazing. And the quickest and easiest way to keep your commitments is to limit the number of the ones you make. I always say, not now doesn't mean never. And I'm quick to tell people that if I'm not certain, and I'll get back to you. When is the deadline? When do you absolutely need to know? Because I used to be really quick to say yes, so now I'm not so quick to keep, and I keep commitments better. So this is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist. Have a wonderfully blessed day, and remember, you are blessed to be a blessing.